Up first this evening, as the world remains on edge with concerns about a possible recession and a surge in COVID-19 cases, business leaders locally are holding a positive outlook for the new year. They say despite some areas of concerns like inflation, crime and a labor shortfall, local indicators are showing positive signs. Javon Keys reports.
Businesses faced a number of hurdles last year, but moving into 2023, there is optimism.
I'm looking forward to a good year. I think Jamaicans in general should look forward to a good year. Certainly much better than the last three.
I am confident and I am hopeful that we're going to get our crime issue under control and that we're going to get our businesses up and running back at full strength, those that are not. And I think we're going to have a bumper year in 2023. I think that all of the indicators that we look forward to are going to be up. And we are here to try and help to make that happen.
President of the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, JMEA, John Mafood, says labor issues could, however, be a sore point if not addressed this year.
We have the positive sign in tourism of not only having the expectation of record season, but we have also the knowledge that there is about 6,000 hotel rooms that are being built as we speak and going into the next 24 months. Those hotels have to have thousands of employees, and the tourism sector is already short. The BPO sector wants to grow. There are now close to 60,000 employees. And the manufacturing sector, we have talked about having difficulty even finding entry-level people.
President of the private sector organization of Jamaica, PSOJ, Metriciaga, says it's time to look at bringing in overseas talent.
I think that we are at the point where we have got to start to look realistically at the importation of labor and the possibility of having people come in and transfer the knowledge to locals here. But we simply do not have the workforce.
He says the Hart NSTA Trust needs to do more to adequately train skilled personnel. Inflation was also another area of concern for both business leaders. They are, however, hopeful that prices will regulate, in line with the projections set by the Bank of Jamaica. That is, notwithstanding any other major shock. They are also hopeful that more effective strategies to tackle crime will be instituted. Both men were guests on the latest episode of the JNN Financial Gleaner Business Forum, The Exchange. Javon Keys, TVJ News.